Alright, so for this video here, we're going to use and configure the GRUB2 bootloader on Fedora. Alright, so we're going to do, first thing we're going to do is less boot slash grub2 slash grub.cfg. Make sure you're in his root. And this is your grub configuration file. We're not going to edit anything here this time. Let's take a look around, see what's in here. And when you're ready, press Q to quit. Alright, now we're going to do vi /etc/ default /grub to edit the GRUB2 config file. And I spelled default wrong, so I created a new file that wasn't there. There you go. And we're going to change the timeout here. We're going to specify 30. And this is when the GRUB bootloader loads. It'll be up for 30 seconds, giving us time to make any changes. And to make that take effect, we have to run the following command. grub2-mkconfig space -o /boot /grub2 /grub.cfg. And there's my typos again. Alright, that looks good. There you go, generating grub configuration file. Now we got to reboot. Now during the GRUB2 bootloader here. Here you can see we have 30 seconds to select something. We're going to do C to get to a command prompt. So we're at a grub prompt right now. And here, I guess we can just type help. Get a list of things that you can do at the grub command level. And just scroll through, take a look, and then we're going to reboot again. Alright, now this time we're going to select E to edit. I'm not going to really make any edits here, but this is where you would edit some things in your GRUB2. You notice it's hard to move around in here. You have to arrow down to the next line and then arrow across, and move the arrows across to get to anywhere. Usually have to append stuff to the end of the lines. We're not going to make any changes here. Just wanted to show you what it's about. Where to go to make changes, in case you ever needed to. You can change the run levels in here, but we're not going to do it this way. not at this point. And when you're done looking in here, we're going to just escape out and reboot. All right, now we're going to check out some run levels. See what run level we're at here is N5. So to change the run level, we're just going to type init and a run level we want. I'll try init 2 here. And then log in as root. And you already noticed that the run level is different. There's no GUI here. So type run level to see what run level you're at. And verify. Now we're going to type init 5, and this will bring us back to where we were. If you're not familiar with run levels, look them up. There's 6 different run levels. Log in again here. 5 is the full multi-user graphical mode, which is what you normally run. That's your default if you have a graphical desktop here. Make this a little bigger. Check out my run level here. And then we'll do an init 6. And that'll reboot. This is a quick way to reboot. If you wanted to just change the run level by typing init. And log back in here. Open up a terminal. Make that bigger again. And then we're going to shut down with a init 0. And that halts the system. All right, hope that helps on run levels and GRUB2.